So this is the dining room table. I've had it for, oh God, a long time. But as you can see, there are lots of stains. That's what happens when you have kids. So look at that. Oh boy. Anyway, it's a really good table. I don't want to get rid of it. And I am going to do some experimenting to do something different. this is finally it. I am very well pleased overall. Y'all, this took me like over a year just because I had stopping and starting for different things. I have made a lot of mistakes. Oh my God, so many mistakes. But you live and you learn. This right here is cheesecloth that I got from Shein or Shine. I'll link everything below, but I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do apologize for the lighting because it is pretty bad, but thanks so much for tuning in. I'll check you in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, one more thing. The cloth that you see on the table is actually not red or burgundy. I know it looks that way because of the lighting, but it is actually a burnt orange. Okay, guys. Bye.